quick update video. Okay, here's the broccoli. This one got a little soggy in this area here, so nothing's come up yet. Hopefully it comes up in the next couple days once that dries out. Nothing for the peppers. Here's the artichokes, nothing yet. Then we have the leeks, and if you can see, where is it? Right there. A little something started. Cauliflower, lots of growth. Kale, lots of growth. Broccoli, lots of growth. Cauliflower again, lots of growth. Here's some Roma tomatoes. A bunch of them are starting to come up. Nothing on this one or this one. So this one's the super sweet. This one's the big boy. No asparagus, no peppers. These are all peppers. We'll go up top. Those are peppers. These are a bunch of Romas. There's one lone big boy right there. And as we come down, there's nothing on these. And there's a few leeks starting to come up on these. So that's the progress.
Hi everybody, welcome to Homegrown Homestead. And I am making a really delicious peanut butter pie to take to my daughters tomorrow. But it's in the most ugly crust I've ever had. Let me show you. Let me flip you around. Look at that. Oh my God. The sides shrunk. I poked it and everything. But you know what? It'll taste the same. We're not eating the pie for the crust. We're eating the pie for the filling. So let's go. So I've got my 8-ounce packet of cream cheese in there. I'm gonna cream that up. I'm trying all these different ways to show you what I'm doing. I'm experimenting. Bear with me. I'm gonna try something a little different. Where is it? I'm supposed to put in a cup of peanut butter, right? What I think I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna put as much peanut butter in. I'm gonna use this PB Fit. I'll put peanut butter in here, creamy peanut butter. So one heaper. Should I put 2? Okay, 2. You convinced me to do 2. You're a bad influence. Let me go get the peanut butter. I'm not measuring. I'll do one more. Just that alone is gonna, oh, delicious. Okay. I'm gonna whip that up. Get a spatula. Ooh, that looks good. Scrape the side. Need my vanilla. A little bit. Good enough. I'll just beat that a little bit before I put in the powdered sugar. Okay. And I'm going to start with only, do about 1 cup powdered sugar. So this is half a cup. Now, because I use that protein powder, peanut butter protein powder, might need to add milk. Ooh, I made a mess on this side. Oh well, right? I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to scrape the sides again. Okay. I get to taste it. Mm-mm. It's crazy good. I'm gonna put a little bit of milk because it's a little thick. Not much. I didn't need much. Now, I also had Cool Whip in my freezer. All this stuff I had, all these ingredients I already had. Or could make, or whatever. So this is like pantry dessert. Alright. Put a little bit of this in there, make it a little creamier. Because the rest is going to go on top. Okay, I gotta scrape the edges. Alright, so it's cool. I'm going to put this in there. Smells really good. And yep, I'm gonna use that crust. Who cares? Right? We're eating. If you like peanut butter pie, you're not eating it because you like the crust. Unless you make a cookie crust or graham cracker. I'm just using what I have in my pantry. And for the rest, will probably want to lick the bowl too. I gave them that beater I used. Whew. Never saw a man smile so fast. Well, I have. But, okay. Right? They're not even gonna know. Talk about a rustic peanut butter pie, eh? Get this all the way to the end. I'll have to use my finger here. to rinse my finger. All right, now Cool Whip. I haven't decided if I'm going to smooth this out or not. I do have one of those fancy, you know, I don't know, spritzer machines or whatever. You get those nice little... I just didn't want to do it. So I guess I'll spread it around. I can't find it, to be honest with you. No, I don't have any Reese's peanut butter cups. Russ ate them all. So, that's good enough. I guess I'm gonna use my finger again. Okay, hold on, I got one more thing. Hershey syrup. I don't know. Hershey syrup. See? Ooh. Ooh. Now, if I had peanut butter cups, yes, I would probably put them on here to make them prettier, but I'm not. There it is. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed watching that, which some might say this was a disaster, but I don't. Now, if I was going to try and win a prize with it, yes. So I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight, and it's going to travel with us tomorrow and have a very, very warm and blessed day. Bye.